Now. Hi all, всем привет.
Hi.
Let's this stream in English, and we have Giacomo from Constructor University, Constructor Innovation Ecosystem, and we just catch Giacomo's attention before his airplane flight. So thank you for investing time to our community, and the floor is yours.
Thank you, Oscar. Really happy to be with you today. My name is Giacomo. I work for Constructor Capital. Before starting to introduce you what is Constructor Capital and what is this synthesis, let me introduce myself. I am an innovation investment associate and I work for Constructor Capital. We are a venture capital based in Switzerland. Later, I will tell you more. And I'm focused in supporting early stage companies in their development through investment and through hands-on support, hands-on approach, providing them support and networking through money, through other business people, or a connection with a different with the innovation world in Europe. I'm really happy to be with you today because I will have the opportunity to present Constructor, what is the Constructor word, and of course, what is a synthesis in particular. So, Oscar, if you don't mind, I will go through.
Sure, please go ahead.
Thank you. Okay. So let me introduce Constructor Group. Constructor Group is quite a new family that is born in 2019 from the mind of Serge Bell. Serge Bell is our founder, and he is, let's say, a businessman that during his life has created many companies, and in particular, one company that is called Acronis is today a $5 billion company, and Acronis is focusing in cybersecurity and in creating cloud backups for different companies. And from the experience of Acronis, and from the support that he provided to different companies, to different entrepreneurs during his life, Serge has decided to invest his money, his time, and his effort in creating the entire Constructor Group. Going more deeply in what is Constructor Group, we are a group of different companies with different focuses. We are a Constructor University. We have a university into our ecosystem based in Bremen, Germany. We are Constructor Learning, a research institute based mostly in Switzerland. And then there is Constructor Technology, a company that provide different type of services, technology based, mostly in artificial intelligence, but and mostly in the edutech environment. But there are really different and a lot of products into this world. Last but not least, Constructor Capital. We are a fund of 150 million with a different connection with different VC fund widespread all around the world, as you can see in the right upright, with connection of different companies coming from the experience of our founder and from other general partners and partners of our fund. But moreover, we have a deeply connection with the most important university in the world, like Harvard University, MIT, the University of Singapore, Cambridge University, EPFL in Switzerland, and so on. What is really important today, why I'm here today, is to talk about this opportunity that is called Synthesis. Synthesis is a program to support startups, to support non-European funders to come in Europe and start their business here, or to grow their business in Europe. What we provide is a program with hands-on learning, the possibility to be supported during the entire process from industry leaders and mentors, and of course, the possibility to get connected with the entire Constructor Capital and Constructor Group world. What the program lasts for 8 weeks, during which you will be, let's say, exposed to different active learning, with the connection with investors and connection with other entrepreneurs coming from all over the world. What we provide is the opportunity to get invested by us at the end of the program, and we provide even support to settle your business in Germany through the support with the visa. Our focus are mostly startups, mostly in the pre-seed and seed stage, with a technical focus mostly in B2B software and in deep tech. What we require for the people is to be on presence. So we ask to the entrepreneurs to move to Bremen during the period of time that will start from mid-June till the end of August. The cost is not so high really for Germany. It's only 60 euros per day, which is about 3.5k for each person attending the program. But this money are helpful because with this money we provide you a room and the access to the canteen, where basically you can eat and sleep without any problem. Why Bremen? Bremen is one of the most industrial cities in Germany, the sixth industrial cities in Germany, a really dynamic environment with a population of 2.7 million people. And it's a really interesting production place with people and industries coming from all over the world. What I didn't mention here is that Bremen is even is a space for deep tech companies. Indeed, there is one of the center known worldwide for the ESA, which means the European Space Agency, that has one of these office here, and many companies that develops space tech have their office in Bremen. So what will you provide during the program? What can you expect seeing at the startup track is the support in market analysis and product development, support in developing your product following the rules of the European market, define a strategy for the European market and be supported in scaling your product into this market. And of course, navigate all the issues regarding creating a startup, a team into this market. And finally,
Giacomo, oh, I forgot questions. Can I interrupt, or we have questions in the end?
yes, of course, of course.
Just one question about this. You mentioned introduction to European market. Does it include things like GDPR or legal stuff, or some like B2B sales introductions? Because as I understand, each European country is unique culture, language, and if you're doing business in I don't know, France is quite different from Spain. Things like that is very challenging. And just note for viewers, you can guys type questions in here in the chat. We will put him here like this one. Just instructions for those viewing.
Absolutely. Thank you for your question. What we provide is the opportunity to get in touch with different experts coming from our network. So we provide the opportunity to solve all the business issues that this company will face during the process of settle their business in Europe. So we provide support, yes, in different areas, from legal to GDPR, and of course, opportunity to get connected with other companies in Europe. That's what we can provide. But most importantly, last but not least, is the demo day. So the possibility to showcase your project to a community of investors that can support your product with your project with an investment at the end. This is just to provide an idea. So we are focusing on the Turkish country, and Kazakhstan is one of the most interesting countries for us at the moment. But let me just to present Constructor Capital and be what are we trying. We are a community of business people, of researchers, of investors with a lot of connection in a different field. As you can see, we have a connection with more than 100 scientists and more than 1,000 founders and entrepreneurs. And all these people are supporting us and will support you during the process of let's say, during the acceleration process. We are focusing mostly in three areas. So usually we focus more on the software tech, on the deep tech, and in educational technologies. For software tech, we consider B2B software, of course, artificial intelligence, as one of the most, let's say, thriving and interesting fields where we are looking at for investment. For deep tech, we consider quantum computing, photonics, semiconductors, and even sometimes biotech. And last but not least, educational technologies. We have a really huge understanding of this world, since we are part of a university. We have a university to our group. So what we can provide is to support the companies in really being a partner and being able to help you to develop your own business. So, trying to summarize all, what we provide as a Constructor group is a mixed blend of entrepreneurial culture, entrepreneurial network, and connection with different industries to support the thriving of the company. Possibility to receive an investment from us or from other investors. So be supported directly in your expansion into the European market. And of course, the opportunity to learn, to better understand how works the German market, how works the European market, to get in touch with different professionals and people and advisors that can support you during the entire duration of the program. As I said before, the time to apply to this program is not so much. We are facing the last 5 days just to apply to the program. I already shared with Asker the link for the application. So I already received some application from you, from this community. So I'm really happy about it. And I hope to see even more application coming from you. We as a Constructor Capital are really triggered by the entire Kazakhstan ecosystem and the opportunities that we can find here. And we are willing to support you in creating another opportunity and increase the opportunities for the future for this country and for this community in general. That's me. That's all. Sorry.
That's amazing. Guys, your questions, please feel free to type here. Also, if those who watch recording, you can type questions in the comment section, or you can type it in the Telegram group, and then as Giacomo will find it if he won't, because he is very busy. I will send him these questions and make sure he answers. There's still time. Usually, people from post-Soviet Union, they apply on the last day. So I think you still have time. And I think from my experience doing startup, because I was with startup guys in Estonian guys, and every time you try to do even IT project in some other country, we try to do it in Poland. Also, with our experience in Estonia, Poland was different story, and everybody tried to go actually from Eastern Europe to Western Europe. And here, with Giacomo's help, you have opportunities to skip all these steps and straight go to biggest markets. And with this huge support, I think it's in terms luck, some luck for you guys to have this opportunity. And thank you, dear Giacomo.
Thank you, Oscar.
I didn't prepare any like big questions. If somebody of audience, you can type questions. Maybe you could tell Giacomo, I don't know, what is a ratio of applications if somebody will get in? What should they expect? They will be with Turkish people, with Russian, or what?
The application process, you mean?
No, I mean, batch is multinational, right? If people.
Yes, definitely. The batch is coming from different countries. We have Turkish people, we have Uzbekistan, we have people from Egypt. So the batch are the most, let's say, international possible, because what we want to create with the and is on even the idea of the entire Constructor group is to solve future problems with the technology. And we cannot find only good technologies in just in Germany or in Europe. Good technology is everywhere, and we try to leverage on technology coming from let's say all over the world, to trying to solve the most important problem that we have today. So problem related with business, problem related with climate change, problem related with technology and how to improve the technology today for life science, for our health, and so on. So we strongly believe in not focusing only in a specific market. We believe in meeting that from the meeting with people coming from other culture are coming the best possible solution to solve to solve world problems. That's why we are focusing on different countries. We are not only focusing in Europe or in US or in other let's say in other countries. We are willing to focus in this country because we are strongly believers that people that there is the good technology where there are good people. We are want to create a way to support people there and to support their development as an entrepreneurs worldwide. This is our aim as an investors, of course, as even as and from the educational point of view, from the for the good of the world in general. So this is what we want to create with this type of program. Create let's say a first step to promote international startups, to promote international founders, to go worldwide. So this is an opportunity for sure, an opportunity to join, an opportunity to create something special with our support. And we are here with the best support that we can create, the best with the best effort that we can provide as lecturers, as entrepreneurs, and as investors.
This is amazing. I wish you guys good luck with this program, and I'm sure more people will apply. And the next batch, you will be seeing talented people from our region. And if you will be visiting someday Almaty, let me know. We'll be happy to connect. Also, we
Thank you
have a
so
lot of
much.
friends in Turkey, so we could connect you maybe there as well with Google Developers Community. And thank you, and I wish you a great flight tonight.
Thank you, guy. Thank you, Oscar.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Bye bye.
Oh, by the way, Giacomo, so maybe we forgot. Is your contact slide here with some your email, or they just could go to constructor.org? Oh,
Here we are.
Yeah. So we just
Okay.
fixate this.
Yes. Please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm always reachable by email. So if you have additional question, if you wanted to have a much more information about the program, I'm willing to answer to your question and to, let's say, to understand if we can find a good fit to work together.
Thank you, and take care. Have a great evening.
Thank you, Oscar, for this opportunity, and thank you all to this community for having time for listening myself and to listen to this opportunity of a Constructor group. For sure, will not be the last time that you hear about us, and at least I hope. And see you in the future. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. It was a pleasure. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.